TASA Micro SPM is showcasing its advanced, special purpose machines, gear tooth finishing solutions, broaching systems, and CNC dual spindle VTL technologies at the Power Transmission Trade Fair Pune 2026.
This is Anurag More, Associate Editor of OEM Update, and today we are at Aptex event in Pune, and we are at the stall of TASA. TASA is an leading Indian manufacturer of special purpose manufacturers and precision engineering. It was established in 1995 and it is headquartered in Haryana. The company specializes in designing, manufactures customized machine tools for high precision and industrial applications. Now let's hear from the experts of the company about their product offering and about the expo they are participating in. We have Mr. Sen, Managing Director of TASA with us. Thank you so much for joining us, sir. Sir, can you tell us about the core vision and mission of the TASA Micro?
So the core vision was set up by my father. He's the one who developed all the machinery for the automotive industry. So his first vision was that when he was working in Escorts for 26 years, he thought that I should stop all the input of machines into India and we should develop these machines in India at an economical cost. Hence, we developed a lot of import subsidy solutions in India for the gear manufacturers in India to provide these solutions to their customers at an economical cost. So we are the leaders in India for certain machinery, and we want to continue giving these rare solutions to our customers so that we can make the Make in India project a reality in the machine tools scope.
And sir, how does the business anticipate evolving in next 3 to 5 years, especially with Industry 4.0?
With Industry 4.0, the reporting has become a lot easier from the machine tool aspect. Although the units which are used in this case are not giving that much in detail data based upon the manual intervention of the people in between the process. But as we see in the coming 4 or 5 years, a very big section of the industry will be depending upon Industry 4.0 solutions.
How do you approach diagnosing precision errors in the CNC systems?
There are certain errors you can always see physically, but for certain high precision errors, you do need certain precision measurement systems, which cannot be added into a machine setup because of the contamination and other factors involved, vibrations involved. Hence, we generally tell our customers to take the data from defined measuring instrumentation, and based on that data, you can do the corrections in our machine quite easily.
Describe how would you automate a process involving drilling, milling and robotic material handling?
Robotics. So we have now a new robotic system which can be added to any machine setup and can be used to clear the lot in a machine and then move to the next machine as it gets more easier for them to work upon. And we have now built this unit as flexible as possible so that any tier 2 or tier 3 supplier can now add this automation into their existing lines.
What quality control techniques do you employ for surface finish and dimensional accuracy?
For surface finish and dimensional accuracy is all dependent upon the data that you feed in, because all the control systems that are there are completely programmable. So for us to provide the data much more accurately, it is better in our machines because you can put in the data and you can have a better surface finish and accuracy on the parts.
How this expo will help your business?
See, expos do not help much in the business. It does not exactly create new orders in the expo. What it helps you to do is educate your customer base regarding the products that you have developed, because it is very rare to find so many customers in a single area and to show them what our capabilities are. Hence, we always try to bring in new technologies for our exhibitions, and we try to educate our customers with the new technology that are coming into the process.
Thank you so much for your
Thank you.